Hey everybody, Josh with JDS Science Supply, and I'm here to tell you about a new product from General Formulations that's going to help you protect your prints as they leave the shop. No one better to tell us more about this product than Matt Edwards from General Formulations. Thanks for being here, Matt.
Hey, thanks for having me.
So Matt, before us we have a sign that looks like it was hit with spray paint. You know, one of a sign's worst enemies. It's tough to clean, obviously ruins the whole look and message on the sign. Tell us a little bit about the solution that General Formulations has created to help with this problem.
Well, the product we have is our General Formulations 108. It's our DuPont Tedlar. It is a product that's going to be easily cleaned with harsh chemicals. It also has an excellent UV, up to 10-year UV resistance against fade and such, but really shines well on the cleanability, where you're going to take that paint off with something like an acetone or an MEK, which is generally very detrimental to products.
So normally on a traditional overlaminate, we'll call it, those cleaners really aren't friends with traditional overlaminates, but this overlaminate will hold up to that.
You're correct, yes. So a standard laminate, whether it be a calendar or a cast, these chemicals, again, MEKs or acetone, is going to destroy the film, basically make it soft. It'll actually turn eventually with the sun, but it's going to cause issues with cleanability. It's just not meant for it, right? So the thing is, they want to replace the sign. So this is where, if it's laminated with 108, you don't have to. You can actually go out and end user can go out and clean it themselves and make the sign look new again.
So this can be done right on site.
Yep. So we're just pretending this is a sign that's already installed on it. You can see it's the same sign. This was laminated with a
like your 400 series.
Yeah, just a calendar laminate. This was laminated with Tedlar, to understand. So this is acetone, which you can see it's going to start moving the paint around, but I can feel the degradation of the film are already grabbing and gumming up underneath. So I got a little out. So again, you should be able to clean that.
So if you look at like these swirls, that's happening. That it's really degrading the surface of the overlaminate on a traditional overlaminate.
Correct.
To where it's almost embedding, and it'll start to take on the hue of the color that it was painted with.
It's just destroying it basically, right? It's not meant for that.
And I could see even, you might not be able to tell on camera, but I can tell how the material or the cloth you're using is kind of sticking to it a little bit.
Grabbing,
it's grabbing it. You can tell it's breaking it down. It's not as smooth as it is.
Right, and you'll dull the finish. So if it's a gloss, you're going to dull the finish because you're chemically changing it. So again, we're just going to put a little bit of acetone on a rag. Okay, and there again, this is already spray painted. It's dried. We're going to go with some simple areas just to show how it's going to clean off. The thicker areas with paint, it's going to take a little more soaking, you can see. But all this through here can be cleaned off, right? You can see how we're taking that overspray. And if you change out the cloth.
And you didn't use a lot of material to start breaking it.
Just a little bit. You can see it's going to. So changing the cloth out where you can see we're breaking all this up. So as you break it up, like anything, you got to make sure you remove the particles. But you can see the fact that it's easily cleaned. You get down the surface really easy. And the fact you're not ruining the signage itself, you're not ruining the surface, the actual look of it. So again, that would be difficult. You can see what we did over here to trash it, but again, it's going to be easily cleaned. Going to have to use, like, again, acetone, MEK to break down the paint and such. And you can also use some citrus-based cleaners to break the paint down that are in the industry now.
Okay. Well, thanks, Matt. I appreciate
spending
some time doing the demonstration and showing us how this product works and all the benefits of it.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thanks for being here. For more information about this product, check us out online, jdsciencesupply.com, or call us at the number below. Thanks for watching.